Well, hello, welcome back. That is so stupid. Why do I say that dumb shit? Hi there. I have had so much coffee. Now I'm on to a double shot of espresso here. I feel a little cracked out. I feel a little just uneasy and like I'm on another wavelength, another planet at this point. Kind of like it though. Today is a good day, good vibes, good energy. I am so ready for my second Halloween look, and I have my Halloween sweatshirt on. I got it off Amazon. Is there more on here? Yeah, and at the bottom it says Haddonfield. I freaking love this sweatshirt. I will link it down below so you guys can get your hands on it. It's so comfortable. It's oversized. It makes me happy. So I'm going to attempt to do like a creepy ass pumpkin chick girl character thing. I have 3 different inspiration pictures because I like some on one picture, something else on another picture. I'm going to try and like vibe them all together. I don't know. We'll see. I have so much shit in front of me per usual when I do these looks. Again, I do not do any dry runs with these looks. I just kind of vibe out and see what happens. You see what happens as I see what happens. So let's go ahead, jump in, and see what we can come up with. All right, let's go. The messages me and my friends send, we would go to hell if anybody got a hold of our phones when we die. You know what I mean? Like when you die, you better have your friend hide your phone, bury it, burn it. Yeah, that's me and my friends. Go us. I hate myself. I cannot find my headband, but I did find my hair clips. It's like I can only find one or the other when I film anymore. It's stupid. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and start off with foundation. I, again, was going to use water paint as my base, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and use foundation. So I'm going to start off with Revolution Skin Silk Serum Foundation in the lightest shade. It's F1. And then mix in my white cream paint like I did in my last video. This is a, if I can grab it, this is a knockoff Makeup Forever Flash palette. Got it off Amazon. We'll link everything I can down below. And I'm just going to take the white in this cream paint. There's so much stuff in this room right now that everything is just getting misplaced and I cannot find it when I need it. So I'm just grabbing things that are literally in my vicinity that I can actually get to. In a way, it gives me anxiety. Like, I hate it. I like a clean house. And right now, hey, how are ya? And right now, this room is driving me nuts. Just like I said in my last video, do not worry about perfection. Do not worry about things looking perfect. These characters you can turn into whatever you want them to be. So perfection is not needed. Blending out perfectly is not needed. Just slap the shit on, okay? Slap it on, move on. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and black out my eyes. I'm going to take, again, the Morphe James Charles palette. I did link a dupe of this. It was a palette I found on Amazon. I've never used that palette, but it had good reviews, so I will link it down below in this video too. But this is the only palette I use, along with it depends what I'm trying to do, but it's the main palette I use during Halloween, when I do Halloween looks. We're just going to take a dense brush and black out the eyes. I thought about, and you can if you want to, I'm trying to think of the term, like basically blocking out my eyebrows, but I really don't have any eyebrows. So it's pretty easy to cover them up, as you can see. Like eyebrow where is she at? She's not there. So if you wanted to, you could, but I don't think it's necessary, I guess, unless you have like bushy brows. But I don't know if it's really necessary for this look. Just my opinion, I don't know. And I don't think these need to be even on both sides either. We have so much more work to do. I don't think it's necessary. Like I said in my last video, again, these characters are not perfect. So just like Bob Ross said, happy little mistakes. Happy little mistakes. Didn't he say that? That's what we're gonna do. That's what it is. We're just gonna bring this down a little bit. I'm not taking any extra. I'm just kind of fading it down a little bit. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is, I don't have an orange cream paint, so I'm gonna mix the red and the yellow in this palette. I don't think it needs to be a perfect orange because I can go over with eyeshadow, like an orange eyeshadow. So if it's not a perfect orange, I wouldn't worry about it, but that's about where I'm at right now. I think what's gonna happen is it's gonna go into the black, which I think that's when the eyeshadow is really gonna come into play here. Yeah, it's gonna mix with that black, which whatever, I ain't that worried about it. I'm just trying to get this cream down. And we're gonna go in with Lovely Blood, okay? Let's keep that in mind too. I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah, we're gonna go in with blood, which makes me happy. I kind of went in with the yellow first. Now I'm just kind of going over it with the red. I don't think there's any rhyme or reason for any of these lines, if I'm being honest. I think you can just kind of do whatever you want. In my opinion, it's kind of like she's a pumpkin, like carved, but not really, but kind of. And then there's blood. I don't know. I don't know. Her nose is red, so I'm just gonna go in and paint my nose here. She almost has like a swirl on her nose. Let me take some eyeshadow first. I'm gonna set this, maybe. I think I'm gonna have to set it and then go in. See how I'm thinking as I go? I'm trying to like get it together and act like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just taking some red and setting this cream paint. I'm also bringing it out a little bit. There's also some like red up here. And again, we're gonna be adding blood. Man, I've never looked better, for real. Look at me. Oh my God. Who wouldn't want this? You know, who just wouldn't want it? Now I'm gonna take some eyeliner and do like this swirly thing on the nose. It's just not working very good. Maybe I can get like an outline first and then go in. I might have to do that. I'm actually gonna pick up some cream paint on this eyeliner. Clearly I need new eyeliner here. All right, I'm gonna take some orange from the eyeshadow palette and just start going ham sandwich and really trying to bring out pigment. I'm not trying to make this look like really straight lines or anything like that. This is where the eyebrow is becoming the bane of my existence, which, whatever. And we're really setting this cream paint too, because remember, this is all cream. I feel like it's really pulling red here, which is not what I want. I definitely want to bring some orange back. So I'm gonna go in with some yellow. I need a paper towel because I'm just like drawing all over myself. So yeah, I'm gonna go back in with some yellow here. Now I'm going in with this shade up here. I think this shade is helping me out more than the other shade. That one was too red. This one is more orange. Now for the nose, I'm going to take that same shade and just start, it almost looks like fire. Like it's like a fire pumpkin. I don't know. At least this one is. It's hard to describe. But there's just like these lines coming up from the nose. Crooked. That's just what it reminds me of. That doesn't mean that's what it is. Same with like, over here. There's just like little, there's stuff everywhere all over her face. Like, not gonna lie, like you could do whatever you want with this. I'm trying to trust the process here. I think I get to a point sometimes with Halloween looks, I'm like, oh God, this is not looking good, but yeah, I'm just going to tell myself to trust the process. I think once we get to the mouth, this is really going to be like the star of the show. All right, so I'm going, bitch, I think the blood is gonna make this come together. Blood is gonna be great. So I think what I want to do too on the nose is take some black here. Because it's gonna kind of give it some shadow in a way. Like shadow it out, make it pop. Same with like up here, bring some black in. No rhyme or reason. No like, it needs to be perfect. Just bringing it in. It just makes it pop more, you know what I mean? The mouth is very sloppy. Very sloppy mouth. You don't have to be any kind of precise with your lips. And then we're gonna do kind of like a pumpkin mouth clown situation. So now what I think I want to do is I want to set this with some black eyeshadow. So now there's like orange lines, white lines. It's kind of very, I don't know how to explain it. We're just gonna have to go. And then we're gonna go in with some like yellowish, reddish in some places. I'm going to take some white and kind of go through some of this look a little bit like right here. Just kind of some different places. Now I need some black on my waterline. Now it is time for the blood, which I'm super excited about. I might go in and try and fix a couple of things. But I'm pretty sure the blood is what's gonna make this look. Okay, let me get this shirt off. All right, so I know I'm gonna get blood in my hair for sure. So I have 3 different types of blood here. This is stage blood. This is special effects. It's like the sticky type blood. That's what this one is. Also, this is what this is. It came like in a little kit thing. So this is like a sticky blood. And then one's like a blood spray. And then the other one is kind of like a blood drip. I definitely want to use the spray blood. I've never used this kind of blood. So we're going to be finding this out together. And no, I'm not naked, y'all. I have a shirt on. Okay. Okay, we have a shirt on. All right, let me go ahead and spray myself. Okay, yep, that went everywhere. All right. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That looks awesome. And then some of it will start running down, which is cool. Okay, I'm just gonna try and drip. I think I'm at a good stopping point here. I don't know which contacts to use. I really want to use my blackout contacts. Oh, do I want lashes? I think I do want lashes. Just pretty it up a little bit. pretty her up. But yeah, I don't know which contacts to use, and that's what is like bumming me out, because I don't know if I want to use my blackouts or my sassy browns. But I got both of them right here. I think I might use the sassy browns. I don't know. All right, let me pop my normal contacts out. And I think I'm gonna put my sassy browns in. I mentioned that I was doing a collab in my last video with Coal Eyes. These are the contacts I'm using this year in all my Halloween videos. So let me pop these out and put the sassy browns in. Actually, let me go ahead and put my wig on and all that kind of stuff so you guys can see everything else that I got. Hold please. All right, y'all. So this is the final look. I look crazy, creepy, weird. I love the contacts though, and I can see prescription colored contacts are great. This was just like a slap it on, make it gory, make it weird, look weird. I don't know. It was fun to do. I like it. Again, just like in my last video, I will link everything down below that I can. But yeah, this is it. What do y'all think? It looks so crazy. Creepy crazy. Cool. I like it. So that is it. I hope you like it, and I will see you guys on my next Halloween video. Bye.